girl be less or more than her weight on the earth? Many girls in our school are concerned about their body weight. Are there any way that they can weigh as much as one of the K-pop stars? Well, there are some places besides Earth that can drastically change your weight. Your mass remains constant across the universe, while your weight changes are depending on the gravitational forces acting on you, which vary from planet to planet. If gravity on the Earth is greater than on the Moon, you will weigh less on the Moon than on the Earth. The greater the object, the more gravity it has and more you will weigh. In a simple way, when a person is a balloon and a planet is a pump, some planets add air to the balloon and some planets take the air away. Doesn't this sound so interesting? Let's get right into it. So, an object or a person on the Moon would weigh 16.5% of their original weight on the Earth. Therefore, a person would be much lighter on the Moon compared to being on the Earth. First, we know that gravity is a force that attracts all physical objects towards each other. Second, the greater the mass of an object, the stronger the force of gravity. Charity Pierce, world's fattest woman, weighs about 346 kilograms. She must go to the Moon. Then she can weigh about 57 kilograms and become healthy and have a normal life like others. Jupiter, the king of the planets, is much larger than our planet Earth. Astronomers tell us it's about 318 times big as Earth. In Jupiter's case, volume is even bigger than its mass, the volume being some 1300 times more than the Earth. If you're worried about your weight, you do not go to Jupiter. The Jovian gravity is much more intense than Earth is. That means if you weigh 100 kilograms on Earth, your weight on Jupiter would be 252.8 kilograms. So do not go to the Jupiter. Venus is very close to Earth in its size and mass. So an object or person on Venus would weigh 90.82% of their weight on Earth. For example, if you weigh 50 kilograms on Earth, you would weigh 45.21 kilograms on Venus. Therefore, a person would be lighter on Venus than when they are on Earth. What causes the differences in weight between the Earth and the Venus? The answer is the gravitational force which a planet is subjected to. Earth has more mass than Venus. Therefore, the Sun would pull with greater force because of its greater mass. If you're a person who is having issues with your weight, I will highly recommend you to visit the Venus. Just by visiting Venus, you can lose 10% of your weight. If you're not the fattest woman in the world, or you're too skinny that you need to gain weight, I would then go to Venus. Venus is perfect planet to lose perfect amount of weight.